Hello everyone and welcome to Willadine's Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing some red beans. So what we have here for our ingredients, we have our 2 pounds of red beans. They've been washed and soaked overnight so they're nice and rehydrated. We have chopped onions. We have chopped green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and there's some chopped jalapeno in there as well. We're going to give us a little bit of kick and spice with that. We have chopped celery over here and chopped green onions in this bowl right here. And then we have some freshly chopped thyme and some minced garlic over here. We have some fresh bay leaves, and we have a mixture of seasonings here. We have some Cajun seasoning, some garlic seasoning, some black pepper. We have some smoked paprika and a little bit of chili powder in there as well. And then over here, to add some smokiness to our beans, we have some diced ham, and we're going to use some of this ham, not too much because the beans are the star of this dish. So we're going to saute off that ham, render out the fat of that ham first, and then we're going to cook our vegetables in that fat, and then we'll add the remaining ingredients. So for our stock, we have some freshly made homemade chicken stock here that we're going to use as well. So once we get the beans cooking and stewed down some, we're going to give them a taste to see if we need to add any additional salt and pepper. But this is our mise en place for our red beans. So we're going to get these going. Okay, our beans have been cooking for an hour and a half. They're getting soft, but they're not quite where I would like them to be. Yeah, they still got a little bite to them. So they're not tender enough yet. So we're gonna add a little bit more water because we're running out of water here, but it's not too bad. We're gonna add a little bit more water and let them cook for another 30 minutes and then check them again. Okay, these are our beans after 2 hours. They're actually thickened up nice and good here. Just going to see how tender they are. Give them a quick taste. Okay, they taste really good. Lots of flavor. I can feel the heat from the jalapeno. The chicken stock adds some body to it. And our broth is nice and thick. The beans are tender. So we're going to turn these off now. And they're ready to serve. Okay, so here's our red beans. Cooked nice and tender. Have plenty of flavor in our stock and our sauce. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a quick taste here. Now, I'm not plating these beans because they're actually going to a family member's house, the rest of that pot of beans. So we're just going to plate it enough here in this bowl so we could taste it, make sure everything tastes good. Tastes great. The beans are tender, lots of flavor. You can feel that heat from the chilies. That's good. So I think we got a good pot of beans here. We're going to get those ready, take over to a family member's house. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you for viewing.